On Monday and Tuesday, we multiplied a fraction by making a model and seeing where they overlapped. We took a piece of a piece. Today, we're going to think more critically and look at a model to figure out the problem being represented. Let's look at this model. As you can see, I've got a fraction being represented by rows shaded in blue, and I have a fraction represented by columns shaded in pink. I need to figure out these two fractions. Let's start with my rows in blue. I have one whole row, two whole rows shaded. So the number of rows shaded is 2. I have two pieces. How many rows do I have altogether? 2 out of how many? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows altogether. So this is 2 rows out of 5 rows, or the fraction 2/5. Now let's look at our columns. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns shaded. The number of columns I have shaded is 6. How many columns do I have total? 6 out of how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 6 columns shaded out of 8 columns in all. So this represents the fraction 6/8. Now, I want to find 2/5 of 6/8. I'm going to use my strategy of looking at the overlapping part. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 blocks that are shaded both colors, that are in overlapping blue and pink. 12 out of how many? Well, remember, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 columns. 5 times 8 means there'll be 40 total blocks. And I can count this by fives to see 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So I have 40 total blocks in all. I have 12 shaded both colors out of 40 in all. So my answer is 12/40. Again, 2/5 times 6/8 is 12/40.